Hello everyone, we are here at Malbal Sea Park and we will interview one of my most admired local beauty queens here in Southwest Cebu. And we'll try to ask her a series of questions about a life of a beauty pageant goer in times of pandemic. So let's check this out. Hello guys, welcome to Dagway sa Paraiso. Welcome to the Municipality of Malboan. And right here with me, akong interview na usa sa akong admired nga beauty pageant personality. I would like to introduce a very young and very promising beauty title holder. She is a student at Holy Trinity College of Hinatilan, and of course, she has been into a lot of beauty pageants. There is the South or even in Negros Island. And she already has a lot of titles sa iyang pagka-beauty queen. And of course, usasad siya sa mga inspiring kaya nga mga batanon being an online seller during this time of pandemic. And at the same time, na siya bagong venture, mga ang courtside reporter for the Pilipinas Vice Min Cup na may tabo karong April 9 at sa Alcantara Civic Center. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Miss Leia!
Hi everyone, my name is Leia and welcome to Vince Entertainment.
Kumusta si Leia Crown?
Okay ra, siguro na pagka-boring gamay ang akong life as of now. Pero I'm doing my best naman, sir, to be more productive and para dili sad masayang ang panahon nga nilabay.
Alright, so yes, tinuod ka. We are trying to be productive.
Yes, sir.
Kaya medyo in times of pandemic, di ba, nag-quarantine ta, wala tayong mga gawas-gawas and we're not able to show up. Kung nagsay pwede na tumashow, di po ta pwede makakitaan or in the income itself, no, lisod kayo siya pangitaon. And as a beauty queen or as a beauty title holder, what do you think is your biggest challenge within this pandemic?
My biggest challenge within this pandemic, sir, is being able to know more about myself. Because as the time goes by, without pandemic, I think I'm doing my best. But when pandemic comes, I realized a lot. And that was my biggest challenge. Because I thought that was really it is. But not at all. So, sa time, sir, sa pandemic, daghan kayong na-realize akong kinabuhi nga, gato ko nga mauna gina. Daghan kog nabuhat nga, gato ko nga dili day kaya na akong buhaton. Daghan kog napakita sa akong family, of course, sa mga tao nga wala nito una ko. And mas napakita na ako kung unsa gid ko, kinsa gid ko.
That's it. And actually, that's the spirit. No? Tungod kay katong nga time sa pandemic ba, mura bitaw tawag ka ng nakalitan unya. Mura tag, yes. And then, wata ka ba unsay, pwede na itong mabuhat,
Yes.
no? Sa, aside from the comfort zone, especially like me, I've been into a lot of hosting appointments rather. Then I didn't know my other talent nga kung pwede di ka magpuno sa balay, pwede pa di ka makahimo og mga butang
And now
outside.
you became a vlogger.
Yes. So pwede actually dito ko nag-start kato nga time nga pandemic, diba, I've been into a lot of kanang places for hosting mga weddings, pageants,
Debuts.
pero yes, debuts and events. Pero dito na ko na-realize nga pwede di ko mag-vlogger, pwede di ko mag-tech-tourist,
Yeah.
pwede ko mag-dancerist and more.
Yeah,
O dito na ko
singer.
na-realize nga pwede dahil na tumabuhat daghan pa nga naitabo during sa pandemic.
Yeah.
Yes, Leia. Another is, nakapangutanan nimo about, do you miss pageants?
Yeah, sobra kaayo, sir. As in, every time nga makita ko sa akong heels, nga usual na ko nga gamiton, ako isot din sa balay ako magwakwak. Mo try ko nga feel ako na ako sa stage.
How about the girls nga imuhang perming makauban sa pageants? Do you miss them?
Yes, of course. Kay lahi man good ang akong experience sa mga girls nga naka-build na ko og relationship. Especially sa akong mga friends nga unexpectedly na meet na ko sila. And grabe kay sir kay even though unexpected sila na ako nga na meet and na part mi sa usa ka industry, daghan kay sila og advices, daghan kay sila og learnings nga pwede na ako ma-apply sa akong kinabuhi as a pageant goer.
So, nindot kayo ang experience, going to different
Yes.
places all
Of
over
course,
Southwest Cebu.
meeting new friends.
Yes, meeting new friends niya, kanang naka-establish ka og relationship with the makeup
Yes.
artist and a lot more because you'll be if you join pageant, not only the girls but also the
The
people.
makeup artist.
Yes, the people
The
behind.
whole team.
The whole team, the glam team, the whole the makeup artists, organizers,
organizers.
yes, and a lot more. So since walay pageant, as of this time, di ba, wala pa man yung gialaw ang pageant, wala pa
Yes.
gilift ang mga executive orders about holding a beauty pageant. What keeps you busy this time?
Sir. I became an online seller. Na I thought, dili ko kabalo mamaligya.
Okay.
Yes, because when I was elementary and high school, my mother always pushed me to sell everything maka-income
Pwede
ta. Yes, pwede ta magka-income. But then maulaw ko and mahadlo ko nga let's just say kanang malugi or kanang mailad og mga tao. But then within this pandemic, nga wala na dyan pageants, wala na ko lang gikabisihan, I push myself to do more, to show more kung saan ako ang makaya. And with that, nakita sa uban nga makasaligan ko nga online seller. So as of now, na ako yung mga ginagmay nga income, which is pwede na ako siya ma-provide sa akong mga needs sa akong self and sa akong family.
So during the times of pandemic, na-overcome mo itong mga fears and worries niyo nga,
Yes.
di ka kabaw mamaligya or ang
Oo.
imuhang kauwaw, no, ang
Yes,
imong
sir.
confidence, no,
Na-build siya
siya. Online selling was one of the, shall I say nga, nakapaluwas dyan sa pandemic side,
Yes,
nga nabisi
because
ang mga tao.
As of now is more na ta sa online shopping.
Yes, tungod sa distance, di ba? Tungod sa
Yes.
dili na ka pwede unsay nga naning mga direct contact sa mga tao, so pwede na mag-online selling.
And mas na anad sila nga magstay na sa ilahang balay, maghuwat na sila nga night delivery.
Yes, so sa siya, no? Magawa sila delivery, pero at the same time, I think it has brought both advantage or
Yeah.
advantages para sa online seller, tungod kay online seller, nakaginahan siya, nakagain siya, at the same time,
Yes.
benefited sa ang nag-order, tungod kay,
Customer.
dili na sila yung need
Less
mo
hassle,
go out.
less
Yes.
time, less effort.
Exactly. Dili na sila mo adto sa merkado, dili na sila mo adto sa mga malls. Pero actually, nindot jud kayo siya nga experience. At because
Yeah.
di ba, modular ang inyong mode of
Mood of
instruction.
learning, yes, sir.
Yes, ang inyong mode of learning. So, you have so much time to do the online selling tungod kay
kaayo, sir.
dili man siya everyday gid ang klase. Pwede man naman siya ansiran, pwede gabi.
One at a time.
Yes, one at a time.
Every night
Or the whole day. And then you
Yes.
still have a lot of time to
and the rest of
do
the
other
days,
things.
yes.
Di ba, pwede ka mananom, mabaligya ni mo, pwede ka mag-online.
Ayos, sir.
So, muna siya replacement sa mga activities during the times of pandemic sa mga beauty pageant goers like you. So, since we're talking about beauty pageant, can you name some of the pageants na imuhang naapilan sa mga nga makaingon ka nga memorable?
Happy and overwhelmed of the
Did you
result.
expect it?
No, honestly, no.
Because it was really a close fight.
Yeah,
it was a
really.
tough fight between or among all the candidates because most of the candidates are, shall we say the word, tang-an.
Yeah,
Right? Because
ayo.
they are all from the city and they've been to a lot of pageants. Like that.
And one of them already joined Binibining Cebu.
Alright.
Yeah, and one of them is also Miss Consolacion, and one of them is also, if I'm not wrong, Miss SM Cebu.
So they are, in short, they are already title holders.
Yeah,
You
a
too
very
is a
big-
title holder, but locally here in the
Yeah.
South, it's not as big as,
Hindi
the
pa nga, wala pa kayo join sa city.
city, yes. But you need to explore because that's your field already. And I think you have that potential. And I saw you already in the project like Binibining Malabuyok, di ba? I hosted the show. Binibining Montañesa. What else? We've been to a lot of pageants,
In
di ba?
Tanhay, sir, Tanhay City, sa Negros Occidental.
So, it's really, shall I say, kada makaingon ka nga, ma-challenge po ka kung i-anaon bito ka. Marag one way po na siya nga, ma-challenge ka kung na somebody nga mo hatag nimo og mga courtesisms
Yes,
or
sir.
let's say discriminations or hatag nimo og unfair judge or treatment.
Yes, I turned their discriminations on me as my strength,
Yes,
as my motivation, and para ma-achieve na ko ang akong dreams.
That's
para
the spirit.
ma-open na ko ang akong mind nga even though they belittled me or they discriminate me, kaya day na ako even though ingon anir ako. Nga dili
Wow.
ko ingon nga pareha katang-an nila.
Well, that's the spirit, mga kaigsuunan, mga ka-Vince. a very young and promising beauty queen like you, who has been to a lot of pageant, though diri dapita lang sa South, but still you have a room to improve and you still have a lot of opportunities to join bigger beauty pageant.
Yes.
Who do you think is your kinsa man nga beauty queen nga ang imong nag-serve og inspiration nimo?
Si Catriona Gray.
Why do you consider her as such?
I really love her personality, not just in the outside look, but also her heart, because she cares for the people who are really in need, and that was my passion, to help other people, especially those people na dili nila kaya mo provide ang ilang mga needs.
Exactly.
Just like mga children nga naara sa kalsada, mga
Which is her advocacy. It's all
Yes.
about children, di ba?
Yeah, yes sir. I
So-
really love her advocacy and I was inspired by her na pwede day kong makabuhat ana in a very small things. And that's why even though wala pa ako naka-join yung mga dagko nga pageants, I'm doing small things with great,
Great love. Oh,
Yeah,
that's Mother
exactly.
Teresa. Well, Leia, unsa if you will be asked by the host or by the MC or by the judges during the pageant, what is your advocacy?
My biggest advocacy is to improve social awareness and conservation of our environment, because most people are blaming other people also, or are blaming our Mother Earth kung unsang ilang gisuffer karon. But the problem is they are also the problem.
Yes.
They are the cause of this problem. So that's why that is my advocacy, to conserve our Mother Nature and to see the real beauty of it.
Sa mga beauty pageant or sa mga international queens or mga beauty titleist, kinsa man nga answer ang imong pinaka-favorite mo nga makayon ka nga striking mo nga or sa ka ng most memorable lines sa mga winning Miss
Tia words
Universe.
back.
Yeah, that confidently beautiful, with a heart. But I also love that Karen Ibasco's answer. She's the smartest answer in Miss Earth. Remember, climate change is not really the real problem. It's us. It's the people. Yeah, because ang nakaingon sa kuan climate change are the people. We are the
Yeah.
ones. So, ito po na
We
mo
are.
hatag og solution sa maong problema. Climate change is a long overdue issue.
Yes.
Unya, dili kita problema. Hindi kayo pagkatubag bitaw nga ningon siya nga our micro effects will
Or
bring macro.
macro.
Yes. Atong ginagmay nga
Nga buhat.
yes activities mahimo ni siyang dako kung mag-usa na tanan.
Yes.
So it will give an impact to the community. How about Catriona Gray's answer?
I forget his answer at that
It's
time.
all about children would have a smile on their face. Yeah, that's it.
So see silver
I
lining.
work a lot in the slum of Tondo, Manila. In life, there is very poor and
We
always
can
see
do
the beauty.
things as long as with moderation.
Yes.
And to see silver lining in every situation.
Yes, to see silver lining, positive, no?
Yes,
That's
positive.
positive outlook. Maratol sa kausahay kung ano na yung mga question and answer. Pamino ko you are very confident to answer any questions because I've been hosting Binibining Malabuyok and Binibining Montañesa, and it was all impromptu, like Binibining San Roque as well. And you
Honestly
delivered your
speaking,
answer.
Sir, yes, I delivered my answer fluently, but deep inside, I was really nervous and I'm really scared. Basinday marong grammar ko at that time, or what if I was mental block, and I just prayed nga, Lord, mintag okay na ni tanan, ihatag na ko tan ang best nga kung unsay nasa kong una-una para just sa ana nga answer. Kay sometimes man good sir, some beauty queens only answer nga diha sa questions, dili sila motanaw sa gawa sa questions, which is ang
So it's
people.
actually thinking outside the box.
Yes.
Kung baga mo explore ka, kailangan mo expand kasi mong answers to make your answer kanang long and detailed.
direct and detailed.
Kasi sometimes kung naguban magtuyok na bitaw nga mga answers nga same thought, pero lahi mo kay you have that general thought, that intro, then the general content of the answer, then doon na kay supporting.
Which is
na-
the quotes.
Yeah. Pwede na siya. So, posible makayon ka nga, gagawa siguro kung may time limit, no?
Oo.
Na ma-answer ka. You are given only 30 seconds to answer,
I've
like in the Miss
experienced that,
Universe.
sir.
Really?
Yes, in
So, how was
time.
it?
I don't know.
You were crowned.
Yeah, no, I was not crowned at that time because that was all the beauty queens in the South, and I was just called by an organizer para ma-replace sa Niquip just back out.
So what's the pageant? Did you win? Did you
No.
win any title?
I don't win a title, but I just win an award.
Alright. So,
Yes.
wala ka na apply sa top 30
Wala,
or top
because
5?
tanan nga ni Apil at is mga tangan gid kaayo sila Miss Jeanette Sabinicio, sila nakalimot na ko si Joyce Hilon,
I know her.
and the other queens also from Negros.
Alright. So, it was a reunion of the beauty queens. But it was a good fight.
Yeah,
Lagi ito yung mga
indeed.
instances nga, dili kita makadaog sa mga
And
pageants.
daghan kong na-learn sa mga line nga beauty queens nga pwede na ako ma-apply sa
Apply.
kung saan.
Yes, exactly. Dili gyud ka ma-expect nga every competition mo
will
daog
win.
jud ka. Yes, because nagi mga sahay dili, sahay okay.
Yes, that's
sa
part of
performance.
the
Pero
contest.
so far dagan ka na kang titles
Uh,
sa school, sa
yeah.
mga barangay events, ang mga municipalities. Yes, pero you're planning to pursue that career.
Yes, I was honestly, someone called me to audition for Miss Halka.
Yeah.
Mm,
Miss Alka, I've been joining Miss Alka with my candidate talent, Corinne Kate, and Miss Crystal.
Crystal.
Crystal. For, I think, marag 3 years ni na nga nag-Miss Alka. Then, Miss Olive C, Mr. and Miss Olive Season. Naka-appeal sa niya nga pageant sa Cebu, where I handled then. I also handled my talent, Corinne Kate, during the Mutya ng Pilipinas Central Visayas. Yeah, she was qualified to join the Mutya ng Pilipinas Central Visayas. But only one represented Central Visayas for the national competition. Yeah. So, what is your message para sa mga kababayan out there, especially sa mga beauty queens na pareha nimo, about this pandemic nga medyo nahina ng wala pa
wala
pageant.
gyud pageant,
Minaw kay ang
sir.
pageant. As ako, I really miss hosting pageants.
Me too.
Yeah, I
All
really
I
miss
can
meeting
say
all.
is that, ano lang sir, never silang quit kung saan ilang naandan sa una, just like joining pageants, and never sad nilang stop kung unsa ang ilahang na explore karon.
Yes.
Always lang nilang ipadayon kung unsa lang nakita sa ilang self, kung saan ilahang na-build sa ilang kaugalingon, o dapat sa sir nga para dili sila let's just say kanang mawala na or kanang murag mabaguhan na igbalik sa pageants. Siguro if nasa like time, every time nga mag-workout sila, just like what I do, I sometimes wear heels if mag-workout ko kay para like ma-exercise,
Paanad, yes.
ma-exercise ang akong bagtak ko, akong tiil. And ano lang sir, just believe in this, just believe in yourself and never give up. That's all.
So, aside from the beauty online seller, aside from being an online seller, a student, a beauty pageant goer, I know that you have another new venture in your life this time. And can you share to us about that?
I was wala ko sir.
Sige, go ahead.
Unexpectedly, someone offered me an opportunity, which is you.
Yes, I'm very
Because,
excited to work with you.
Being a courtside reporter for Pilipinas Vismin Super Cup, and that would be starting on April 9th. And honestly saying, sir, I was about to give up and never grab that opportunity because I never experienced of being that kind of job. And yes, I've been hosting also sa school or kanang being a courtside reporter pero sa mga gagmay nga mga basketball nga dula. And this was really a big event. Dili na siya joke nga event.
It's a big break actually sa imong career, di ba?
Yeah.
And a new time or first timer. Actually, I've been a courtside reporter for the All-Star, and it's really a tough job. I know you'll be meeting a lot of people, a lot of mga personalities.
Yeah, and naay media.
Ay, na media, and it will be covered by the Solar
Solar
Sports in
Sports.
Sky Cable. So
Yeah.
it's more on popularity, it's more on shall I say kanang pag-glow, o shall I say kanang
Yes.
pag-start sa imong career as courtside reporter. That is one way of developing your speaking skills,
Yeah,
your
exactly.
potentials in front of
Other people.
yeah, it's
In front of the
sports.
camera.
Lain na po siya, no? Dili na siya pageant. You will be not
Sports.
facing the judges. You will no longer face the judges and the makeup artists and all the candidates, but it's more on sports. It's more on basketball,
Exploring sports.
Yes, and you'll be dealing with another courtside reporter who are more, shall I say, expert,
Yes.
like Ma'am Sheila, right? So,
Yes.
would you like to invite them for that big event happening here in locality, in our locality?
So I am inviting everyone to please watch our Pilipinas Vismin Super Cup. It will be held in Alcantara Civic Center, pero hindi mo pwede mo adto kay naatay to be followed nga protocol. You can watch it through our Solar Sports sa Sky Cable, and hope nga inyo yung suportaan ang mga teams nga na nagbuhat jud sa ilahang kanang makaya para
Yes.
lang makadaog anak nga game.
Actually, pwede sa inyo matanaw sa ako kung if there will be opportunities or given a chance na maka-cover ko through
Yes.
through my YouTube channel, Vince Entertainment. Pwede nyo na matanaw po dito ang dula sa mga lain-lain nga mga teams from
Yes.
Vismin, Visayas, and Mindanao. It's, mahitabo na siya sa Alcantara Civic Center. Karong April 9 mag-start. It's a 1 month duration sa dula sa mga banggiitan nga mga players. Actually, na ay mga gikan sa PBL.
Yeah.
Na ay mga ex-PBL. Na po'y present players sa PBL.
And also from TNT.
Yeah, from TNT at and a lot more nga mga players gikan sa mga commercials, no, nga mga commercial players mag-abot. So mag-expect ko rin nga daghang mga gwapo. And, oh my gosh, hopefully nga na yung mga gwapo. Namang yun na siguro, no? So
Ay,
I hope,
mga gwapo.
yeah,
sir.
as your talent manager, so ani nga feel, di ba? If I am not your talent manager if I am not your talent manager sa pageant, at least ani nga courtside reporting. Ako
You'll
yung
be my
talent manager.
manager.
Yes, so probably we can see each other sa
Yes.
Alcantara Civic Center karong April 9. Magkita-kita ta dito, guys. Actually, this is in a partnership with Tubo Master with
Yeah.
Tito Dolfo. Sila mo yung nag-arrange kidaan. Actually, naabot ang mga courtside reporters uban o mga players o mga officials sa Pilipinas Vismin Cup, right? Muna siya title, ana. So, sa mga mahilig ko basketball, tanawa lang ninyo ako ang YouTube channel kay mag-live na
Vince
rito, mga guys.
Entertainment.
Vince Entertainment. Thank you so much, Miss Leah,
Thank
sa
you,
imong
sir.
pagsanong sa akong invitation. And maybe, pwede ta pang-example sa imong pinasuhan. Kung saan
Sure.
pagpasok. Kay ganahan mo tanaw, saan pagpasok, saan pag-project, saan pagkuan. Ganahan ko, anak. Actually, para sa mga kababaihan bitaw, sa mga kapatanon out
Yes,
there
okay.
nga nag-aspire nga may mong beauty queen. So, yung mga tips sa pagpaso or sa pagkuan, okay? Pagrampa. So, here we go. Ato patalawon si Miss Leia. Uso niya pagpaso, guys.